For the past 50 years, Poong Group has established itself as a leading company in non-ferrous metals. Driven by a firm vision of independence in the materials industry, supported by the solid backing of our customers and stakeholders, we aim to continue contributing to the advancement of the metal industry by developing a Seokpo smelting plant aligned with this mission, and we wish to communicate our efforts towards a sustainable vision. Established in 1970 in a mining area, Seokpo smelting plant was Korea's first zinc smelter. Over the last 5 decades, it has led advancements in zinc and non-ferrous metal smelting technologies, contributing significantly to Korea's economic growth. Through ongoing investments, we have expanded our facilities and improved our processes, playing a crucial role in achieving the goal of complete domestic self-sufficiency in zinc metal. It is true that in recent years, environmental issues and industrial safety and health challenges have emerged at Seokpo smelting plant. We have invested significantly to achieve a zero pollution goal, aimed at fully mitigating the environmental impacts on the surrounding water systems, air and soil from our zinc smelting operations, as part of our preparations for the future of Seokpo smelting plant. In response to the 2-month operational suspension administrative order, our company has prepared the following activities. First, we are authorized to continue environmental and safety-related legal activities or liaison tasks necessary for compliance with the integrated environmental permit during the suspension. Second, we are permitted to carry out maintenance on machinery and equipment after the suspension to prevent any environmental or safety issues upon restarting. Building on these fundamental principles, our staff at Poong have developed detailed operational plans for the shutdown and subsequent restart of the factory. These include schedules for stopping and resuming operations, as well as enhancements and repairs for each manufacturing process. We have made technical preparations to ensure that we can adequately handle the restart after the operational suspension. Despite some media reports suggesting an unavoidable production disruption of about 4 months due to the preparations for restart after the suspension at Seokpo smelting plant, this claim is completely unfounded. We have designed our plans to prevent the recurrence of past issues during this suspension period. For this purpose, we established a Seokpo smelting plant emergency operation task force and began comprehensive preparations 4 months prior to the suspension. Our company does not view the operational suspension merely as a crisis. Instead, we see it as an opportunity to emerge stronger and more competitive after the suspension. Poong's Seokpo smelting plant applied for an integrated environmental permit under Article 6, Section 1 of the Act on the Integrated Control of Pollutant Discharging Facilities, and, as of December 2022, was found compliant with the standards of Article 7, Section 1 of the same Act, with the permit being valid until 2027. As evidence of this commitment, by the end of 2024, the company will have completed environmental investments totaling 442.6 billion Korean won. Moreover, the completion of further will establish a safer working environment for employees and transform Seokpo smelting plant into a benign facility for the surrounding environment. In environmental matters, Poong is committed to leaving the past behind and forging a new path. Since implementing a zero discharge system in April 2021, no industrial water has been discharged outside the factory. The emission of air pollutants is also continuously decreasing. Moreover, in terms of air quality, the levels of sulfur compounds, an important indicator for air quality assessment, have been maintained at significantly lower levels than those in the Ulsan area since the first quarter of 2024. To objectively verify compliance with the permit conditions, we have established a public-private joint monitoring committee that includes the government, local authorities, our company, civil society, and representatives of the residents. This committee consistently monitors the progress of the planned activities. Beyond environmental efforts, the company is also actively enhancing and investing in safety. The number of safety management personnel has increased by 215% from 13 to 28 and about 19.8 billion. Korean won has been invested solely in safety by the third quarter of 2024. Seokpo smelting plant is committed to sustainability. Poong will steadfastly uphold its responsibilities and duties as Korea's first zinc smelter. Poong is strengthening the foundation of its core smelting business while preparing for ongoing growth through business rationalization. We are expanding the scale and workforce of the Manufacturing Innovation Office to select reform initiatives and conduct detailed cost analyses. We will also streamline operations in business units where costs are high. Poong has been promoting growth alongside the community and actively engaging in warm relations with its neighbors. Central to these efforts are people and the local community. Since 2021, the Seokpo Village competition has established itself as a platform where local residents can freely showcase their talents in various fields such as writing, painting, and video making. This event has evolved into a key regional event representing Seokpo Village, receiving increasing recognition each year. Building on the experiences from this competition, in 2024, we initiated the first Seokpo short film school project for teenagers. Furthermore, Poong Seokpo smelting plant routinely organizes village concerts to foster communication and cultural exchange with local residents, creating warm moments in everyday life. Poong continues to be dedicated to walking hand in hand with the local community for sustained mutual growth. In terms of environmental responsibility, Seokpo smelting plant is poised for transformation. We are committed to working tirelessly, with unified efforts from both labor and management, to overcome current challenges and crises, propelling the plant towards sustainability. Lastly, we kindly request your continued interest and support, enabling us to showcase the promised blueprint of Seokpo smelting plant to our customers. Thank you.